Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Pokemon cards to sell. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start a Pokemon card reselling business. How do you actually go ahead and find cards to resell? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the way that I've been able to find cards is through first local Facebook groups. Okay, so search up on Facebook local Facebook groups for Pokemon cards, and what I do is I turn on notifications anytime a new post is made within that Facebook group. And anytime a new post is made, I just see it on my phone, I check out the collection, I ask for a TCG market price list, and they usually send that over. Now, with sourcing cards, I recommend trying to get cards or collections at around 70% market value, just because 30% profit is what you're going to be kind of like okay with. If you sell on eBay or TCG market, they're definitely going to eat into your fees. But aside from Facebook groups though, I also try to source cards from Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. Facebook Marketplace, and there usually is no markup when it comes to buying from there. There's no shipping, so it's pretty local. And what I usually do is, again, trying to aim for that 70% market value. And at most, what I paid on for one of the collections in this past month has been around like 76%. But ideally try to get it as low as 70%. Now, other places that I've been able to get cards once in a while was through eBay auctions. So eBay auctions has, once in a while I'll get a card from there if it sells well below market value. But I'd say I don't really spend too much time on eBay just because it's like a bidding war. And so it's kind of like hard to compete with when it comes to getting cards below market value. Now, the next place I actually source cards from is local card shops and game shops. So with local card shops and game shops, they do sell Pokemon cards at market value. But the trick is that if you find a really good card that's near mint and it has really good centering, then you can actually go ahead and mark that card up by like 20 to 30% and sell it on eBay. You could mention in the description like, hey, this card is really good for grading. It's got really good centering. There's absolutely no whitening. So that's the way that I've been able to mark up cards when it comes to selling on eBay, but buying the cards or sourcing the cards from your local card shop or game shop. But that's essentially how to go ahead and find cards to resell on eBay, or basically just resell in general. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.